Have you ever seen your plant's leaves turning dark? Or a strange white powder spreading slowly, almost like morning mist? Most of us don't realize it, but plant diseases start quietly. Hidden fungi and harmful bacteria can come from soil, air, water, even from another plant placed nearby. Black rot, gray mold, rust, fusarium, and powdery mildew. These silent enemies can destroy a healthy plant within days. But the good news, nature gives us a simple, powerful protector. Haldi, turmeric. How to use turmeric for plant protection. 1. During transplanting, mix 1 teaspoon turmeric into 1 liter of soil. This protects the roots from infections and keeps the plant strong from day 1. 2. For regular prevention, add 1 teaspoon turmeric into 1 liter of warm water. Spray this gently on both sides of the leaves. This stops early symptoms before they turn into a full disease. 3. For sick or infected plants, take 2 teaspoons turmeric, 1 liter warm water, 100 milliliters milk, helps the spray stick to the leaves. Mix and spray directly on the affected spots. Repeat every 2 weeks until your plant recovers. With this natural turmeric treatment, your indoor plants stay fresh, safe, and beautifully green, without any chemicals. If you want more easy and effective plant care tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.